Well, hey, cutie pie. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. And I wanted to go ahead and go through. They asked me again if I wanted to go ahead and guest design. And how could I say no? Decorate your life. And I will have the link to their website down below in the description box so you can see all the prettiest. And it's not just paper collections, it's journals and stuff like that too. And it's so amazing. So, I want to go ahead and share with you what I'm going to do for a collection I'm doing for the fall and see what you guys think, all right? So stay tuned. All right, so I have also been booed, so we're gonna see what that's all about. Also, they included some of the Nouveau jewel drops. Gosh, I can't talk. And this is peach. Oh my goodness, get your life together, Brittany. Peach sorbet. Oh my golly. And look at the cutest little card. So cute. Why can't I do things like this? I have to do the difficult ones because I can't do that. But what I have chosen is Pastel Wings Hey Boo. And again, this is 65-pound cardstock, comes with 7 designs and 14 sheets. So let's go ahead, we're going to put this aside, we'll see what it is in there, and we're going to take a look at this. All right, so here is kind of like her cover page there. So stinking cute. How cute are you? Oh, isn't that pretty? I love the pumpkins. So pretty. So we have 2 of those, and then we have one with the gnome, and it says Hey Boo going across the top. And granted, it's supposed to be like fall, but when I looked at the collection, I was like, I could totally utilize that, even though it's primarily like a Halloween collection. I was like, I totally can utilize it for fall because there's elements in there where I can eliminate the, you know, ghouls and goblins, even though it's not anything like that on there. But so I thought it'd be super cute. Oh, so precious. The little cupcake, get out. And then we have this one here. This is really pretty. I love the dark pumpkins on there and the bats. That is so stinking cute. And then, oh, this one has to be my favorite. Oh, that's so cute. That has to be my favorite one. So far, yes. Oh, that is too pretty. I love the little gold on there too. That is so pretty. And then we have this one here. The gnome says boo, and then you got the little black cat. That is so stinking cute. So that, again, that collection is called Hey Boo, and that is what we're going to create with. I kind of have a couple things in mind, but I'm not exactly sure. And then, like I said, I've been booed, so I want to see what this is. How stunning. Look at that pretty trim on a super cute mason jar. Oh, that is so pretty. And then also we have like some sequins mix. We have a pretty little metal pieces. Oh, those are pretty. We got it in silver and gold. That is so pretty. Where is this collection? How did I oversee this? Oh my gosh. Okay, because I was like totally talking to her, and I was like, I really didn't see any fall collections. I was like, I could be like overseeing it. Like, ah! Woe is me. She also gave some score tape, these cute little teeny tiny tags, and look at this bag. Isn't that stunning? That is so pretty. I love it. That is so stinking pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel so, oh my goodness, this is called In Vogue, and I feel like so blind, and I feel absolutely horrible because I did not see this. Like, this really would have been one of the first ones I chosen. So this includes, again, the cardstock with 6 designs, 4 cut aparts, and 14 sheets. And so here is her cover page. Oh my god, I love that. And I have this thing about black and white, and If anybody who knows me, I love plaid, but primarily gingham and primarily black and white gingham. And it's literally all throughout my house. And this is so stunning. And so like I said, the black and white just like, oh. And I love like that little lace feature on there. That is so pretty. Weren't we just talking about gingham? Ow, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, girl. I love these. This is so pretty. And I just love that little lace feature. That is so pretty. Ooh, that is stunning. This will make for a great frame. And then have this like in the center of it. Already thinking of it. Oh, that is just so stinking cute. I love these ones. Oh, wow. Look at you. I feel this is too fancy for me. Like, oh my gosh. It's like feeling fancy. And then here are the cut parts. These are so pretty. So stinking pretty. I did not see this collection. Like, I went through the pages I don't know how many times. First of all, my first mistake was looking through my phone because, you know, my eyes, I'm blind, and trying to look through the phone, especially at night, trying to look through these things, and you're already tired, girl. So that was my first mistake. So that's probably the reason why I didn't even see this, because baby, this would have been the first one I would have jumped on, because this is freaking gorgeous. And like I said, I feel like it's a little too fancy for me. Like, oh my gosh, like, really, should I cut into that? Like, OMG. But regardless, if you're feeling fancy, go ahead and check out, again, the website is decorateyourlifejustlikethis.com. And this one, again, is in Vogue. And then we have this one that is Hey Boo. So I cannot wait to come back and show you guys what I came up with. And until next time, bye.